the length of a pendulum that has a period of 0.5 seconds. So the period, and I'm not going to make you draw a diagram for these unless you'd like to. Period is 0.5 seconds. Okay, I don't know what the length is. I'm asking for it. G is always 9.8 unless I tell you otherwise. So now we just plug the numbers in and solve. That's a little easier said than done. So 0.5 equals 2 pi times the square root of L over G. I'm looking for L. G is 9.8. Okay, and I'm just trying to get everything to the other side. L's under the square root. That looks kind of scary. We'll come back to that later. But for right now, I've got 2 pi. 2 pi is going to be 6.28. Just 3.14 times 2. You can leave it as 2 pi if you want. I find that people sometimes make math mistakes if they do that. So I usually multiply them together to get 6.28. It's being multiplied by this stuff. So the opposite would be to divide it. So when I divide that out, 0.5 divided by 6.28, it's going to give me a small number. Don't freak out about it. 0.0796 equals, and that's gone now, so square root of L over 9.8. I don't want that square root there. That's causing me trouble, so I'm going to square both sides. And yes, it's getting worse before it gets better. 0.006 equals L over 9.8. We're dividing. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So I'm going to multiply to both sides by 9.8. And I get the length to be 0.06, which would be 6 centimeters. So that makes sense. That's a number that works for us. And there you go. That's it. Technically, it's 0.62. There you go. You do not need to do anything with the practice over the weekend.